Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.5% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.1% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold prices rose on Friday and were on track for a sixth consecutive week of gains, as escalating trade tensions between US and China prompted investors to seek refuge in the safe haven asset. Oil prices finished the week with daily gains after new sanctions were imposed on Iran's crude exports, but prices were down for the week as investors worried about US President Donald Trump's renewed trade war on China and threats of tariffs on other countries. The dollar rose in choppy trading to end last week, after data showed that US job growth slowed in January, but that the unemployment rate edged down 4%, giving the US Federal Reserve cover to hold off cutting interest rates until at least June.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Finland's industrial output at 6 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey, current, will be released at 5 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey, outlook, at 5 GMT. China's M2 money supply at 10 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.